In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Amazon Inform Consumers Act verification. Let's dive in. So first, you're going to log into Amazon Seller Central, and you're going to see your account is at risk of deactivation. Oh no, let's go to our account health page. So go to your account health page. You're simply going to go right here, and then you're going to go to Performance, Account Health, and then you're going to see this button that says Resolve Issues. Click on it right away. Once you click on it, you're going to see all this information, and then you're going to click Proceed and Certify, okay? After that, it's going to show this message, and you're going to click Dismiss, and then in 24 hours or less, this one took 5 minutes for this client, boom, it's gone. It's resolved. That's it. But I'm going to be giving you some pro tips before we end this video, okay? So, once you get to this page, all right, you get to this page right here. Do not click Edit. Do not edit anything. Do not make any edits. Just approve it, just say proceed, and make sure the account is back in good standing. Then you can make edits after. Why? So after you're done getting everything approved, what happened is one of our clients, we said, hey, don't edit. Don't click the edit button. Don't do it. Because if you do it, it's going to trigger a red flag in Amazon's system. Once they trigger that red flag, what they're going to do, they're going to re-verify your identity. They're going to re-verify your business address. They're going to re-verify your bank account, your phone number, and your tax ID. Amazon's going to re-verify everything, which is going to take a long time. If you don't get them all re-verified within 10 days, you're going to be suspended. So that's why I say, just go ahead, go to this page, click proceed, and just relax. Just proceed, and now everything's good. Once the Inform Act is gone in your account, see it's gone? Once it's gone, then you can change your bank account. Then you can change your address and you won't get suspended, right? But when the Inform account happens, when this happens, do not click edit, just click proceed, and then after you're done getting all of this approved, then you can go back and edit your and be like, oops, I put the wrong phone number. Then you can change it later. Don't change it now, or they're going to re-identify your identity, your business address, your bank account, your phone number, and your tax ID, and you only have 10 days for Amazon to verify these, or they're going to suspend you. Okay? So those are my pro tips for today's video, and I hope you learned a lot. Leave a comment below if you were suspended from an Inform Act and what you did to fix it. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link's right in the description to contact us. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your account. We'll give you pro tips on Inform Acts and everything like that, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of working in your business every day, like calling Amazon hours on end just to fix one issue. Save time, money, and increase sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.